In today's video, I'll teach you how to change mouse sensitivity in Windows 10. So if you want to change the mouse sensitivity, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is access the settings. Click on the start icon that you can see at the taskbar. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. At second, you'll be able to find the gear icon. This is the option for settings, so click on it. Now once you do that, you can see over here the settings will be opened. You'll be able to find various options like system, devices, mobile devices, etc. Click on this option devices that you can see at second. Now once you do that, you'll be able to access the settings of the devices. At left, you'll be able to find various options over here. At third, you'll be able to find the option for mouse. Click on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find the settings related with your mouse over here. So if you want to change the mouse sensitivity, for that what you have to do is look into the section of related settings. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for additional mouse options. Click on it. Now once you do that, mouse properties will be opened up. You'll be able to find the options like buttons, pointers, pointer options and hardware. What you have to do is click on this option, pointer options. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. In the section for motion, you'll be able to select the pointer speed. Now this is where you adjust the sensitivity. If you fasten the pointer speed, your mouse will be more sensitive. If you slow it, your mouse will be less sensitive. So simply drag the slider according to your choice. Drag it to the right in order to make it fast. Drag it to the left in order to make it slow. Now simply release when you want to release. Once you do that, click on the OK option. Now like this, the mouse sensitivity will be changed along with the pointer speed. So that is how you change mouse sensitivity in Windows 10. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.